Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Solana Network to Coinbase Wallet. It's easy to get this done. All you need to do is simply open up the Coinbase Wallet. Alright guys, and one thing you need to notice, the Solana Network has already been added by Coinbase. It's a default network already. So you can instead receive Solana tokens. To do that, all you need to do is click on the receive option and then simply scroll down and click on other assets and select Solana. As you can see here, it has a unique QR code with the Solana design, which would help you receive your Solana tokens with ease. Or you could simply copy your Solana address directly from the platform and make use of this address outside. Used for receiving tokens and NFT on Solana only, meaning you could actually send and receive tokens via the Solana network on the Coinbase wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.